Carson, you want to do it again?
Carson, can you do this for me?
Carson, you want to do the Pop Goes the Monkey? You gotta crank that lever a little bit. Okay, come here, buddy. Come here, more. Do it again. Do it again. Turn the crank. Do the weasel thing. Here, let's lift it up a little bit. There you go. Keep going.
Same reaction as the first time.
Oh, I love that. Your monkey's right here, buddy. You want your monkey? Here's the monkey. There you go. Carson, do you love the monkey? Loves him enough to manhandle him.
Oh, are you showing him your toys?
Carson, what's the monkey's name? Do you like Santa? Is it Santa? Do you like Santa? Are you dancing?
I think it's show and tell.
Thought he was gonna do some pop and lock.